that I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said something true that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever been betrayed?